Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Learn English Moments. If you're learning English and you often say finished, finished, finished everywhere, this lesson is especially for you.
Yes, many English learners use the word finished for everything. Finished homework, finished food, finished course, finished movie. It's not wrong, but it's not always natural.
Today, we're going to help you sound more like a native speaker. You'll learn when not to use finished and what to say instead.
This lesson is perfect for daily conversation, IELTS speaking, and real-life English.
So relax, listen carefully, and let's improve your English together. Let's start with a simple question. Is finished wrong?
No, it's not wrong, but native speakers don't use it everywhere.
When you say finished too much, your English sounds repetitive and unnatural.
English has many better words depending on the situation. That's what fluent speakers do. They choose the right word. Example 1. Report, homework, task.
Many learners say, I finished the report.
That sentence is correct, but listen to these more natural options.
I completed the report. This sounds more formal and professional.
You can also say, I'm done with the report. This is very common in daily conversation.
If the task is officially closed, try this. The report has been finalized.
So remember, completed, formal, done with, casual, finalized, official.
Now let's talk about school and learning.
Many learners say, I finished my course.
It's okay, but a better sentence is, I completed my course.
If you received a degree or certificate, say, I graduated from the course.
Native speakers almost always say completed a course, not finished a course.
Let's move to something everyone loves, food.
I finished my lunch. This is totally fine.
But native speakers usually say, I had my lunch.
Or, I ate up my lunch.
For drinks, we say, I drank my coffee, not I finished my coffee.
These small changes make your English sound very natural. Now let's talk about movies, meetings, and events.
Some learners say, the movie finished at 9 p.m.
A more natural sentence is, the movie ended at 9 p.m.
For meetings, try this. The meeting came to an end.
Ended is much more common than finished for time and events.
Be careful with this one. I am finished.
This sentence can sound very dramatic or negative.
Instead, say, I'm exhausted. I'm worn out. I feel drained.
These words clearly describe your feeling. Many learners say, the money is finished.
Native speakers say, the money has run out.
Or, all the money is used up.
Run out is extremely common in daily English.
Now let's practice. We'll say a sentence and you think of a better word.
Sentence 1. I finished my homework.
Better answer, I completed my homework, or I'm done with my homework.
Sentence 2. I finished my coffee.
Better answer, I drank my coffee.
Sentence 3. The class finished at 5.
Better answer, the class ended at 5. Let's summarize today's lesson.
Don't use finished everywhere.
Choose your words based on the situation. Completed, work, study. Had, ate, drank, food. Ended, time, events. Run out, money, resources. Exhausted, energy.
If you enjoyed this lesson, give it a like and share it with your friends.
Subscribe to Learn English Moments for more real-life English lessons.
Tell us in the comments, which word will you stop using finished for?
Thanks for learning with us. See you in the next lesson. Bye-bye.